back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair. Today I got a special treat for you guys. We're going to be looking at the Milwaukee Cordless Wet and Dry Vac today. Let me tell you, you guys are in for a treat. So, in the box, you're going to get your tool, the wet and dry vacuum, the tool. Accessory-wise, you're going to get a 6-inch hose, you're going to get a HEPA filter, a service tool, and a utility nozzle. And you're also going to get your 5-year warranty. So let's dive in and see what this has to offer. So here's the tool. So up here you have a handle. You have your on and off switch. And then to access the hose, it's like a toolbox. Open it up. Okay guys, so you have your 6-inch cord right here, and it's flexible, which is nice. So you also have your battery that's inside. You have your nozzle, one of your utility nozzles, and then you have your other utility nozzle right here. Close this back up, and then to access the area below where all of your dirt, debris, liquids go, you just flip this latch, turn around here, flip this other latch, lift up, exposes your HEPA filter. Mine's dirty because I do use it. And then here's your 2-gallon container that holds your debris and your liquids. So you just put that back on, snap it back. Okay guys, so in order to set this up, you just take out your hose, and on this side you just pull your hose through. You can close this back up. And then you can just turn it on. So I really like that the button is covered, as well as you can have the lid closed and have the hose out. Now here's a really cool feature that I really like with this shop vac. So if you can see in here, you can actually pull this hose off. Well, I'm struggling, guys, but it's kind of hard to do this while I'm filming. There we go. Sorry. So you can pull this off, come over here, insert it here, lock it, and now you have a blower. So not only do you have a way to suck up debris and liquid on the left-hand side, you can also switch it to the right-hand port and blow. That's a really cool feature, you guys. This is why I love this shop vac. One of the reasons. So I will give you guys a demonstration on how well this sucks and how well it blows. No pun intended there. So I'll give you guys a demonstration on that shortly. But until then, okay guys. So they have another vacuum. Milwaukee has another vacuum that you can choose from. It's a 2.5 gallon wet dry vac, and it's for the pack out line. Now I'm a pack out guy, and I do have a lot of pack out systems. But when it came to the shop vac, for the price point and for what extra you get, I just didn't see a need, especially myself, to get that other shop vac. So for this one you see in front of you was $120. I got it on sale for about $99.99. It's obviously cordless. It comes with the 5-year warranty, and the part number on that is 088020. So the other one, I'll put a link to the description of it below. But for the other one that I was talking about the wet dry pack out system, that one's going to set you back $199 just for the tool. It's also part of the M18 system, takes the M18 batteries. That one gives you a half a gallon more than the current one you see in front of you. And that one does give you the option for a high and a low switch. So for higher or lower sucking or blowing power, no pun intended there. And it also has a brushless motor. So that's up to you guys. I chose this one because I don't really use a shop vac. I mainly got it for detailing the inside of my car. You know, vacuuming up my car, blowing some debris off the engine bay, anything like that. And one thing about the newer system that I just don't like, I don't have it, but I don't like the fact that on the newer system your attachments are literally on the outside. And that was just like a big negative for me. So with that said, I will put the link in the description below for this one that you see in front of me, as well as I'll put the description in the link below of the other one that I'm talking about, and you guys can formulate your own opinion. Now for the fun part. Let's see this bad boy in action. So let's get to it. Now that did a fantastic job, especially considering I didn't use the right attachment. Let's try the blower. So we're gonna go ahead, open this up. We're gonna struggle a little bit again. So now we're gonna come over here. We're gonna stick it in. Make sure it's locked in. Now let's blow. Now that's a powerful blower. So now blowing power number 2. So we have water bottle that's a little over halfway full. We're gonna see if it can blow it over. Okay guys, now enough blowing. Now we're gonna suck up some liquid. So you wanna make sure you empty out the debris from the bottom. We already switched it over and we already dumped the debris. But one important thing to note when you're gonna start sucking up liquid, you're gonna take your HEPA filter out. So there you go. You just twist and pull off. So this is your little float, so once it starts filling up, the ball will come up and it will stop the vacuum from sucking up more than what it can. So we're gonna take our water bottle, we're just gonna make a puddle here. Oh no, a mess. Okay, now we're gonna see the sucking power for the water. Here we go. So wet, now so dry. I think it did its job. And there you have it, guys. This concludes our testing of the blowing and sucking power of the Milwaukee M18 Cordless Shop Vac. Okay guys, so I forgot to mention with the battery how it comes out. You just pinch these two in, and you just pull up, and there's your battery. So like I said, it's the M18, and this is the 4.0 battery. And even though it's a 4.0 battery, it lasts me pretty good, actually. You know, it is fully charged. It was fully charged. Just in this video, it went down a bar. So not bad. Even with the 4.0 hour battery, just pop it back in, and it's good to go. Okay, guys, and that concludes our Milwaukee Cordless Wet Dry Shop Vac. As a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by Milwaukee. No one's paying me to do this or what to say. This is something that I enjoy, the Milwaukee line, and I have several products of Milwaukee, and I thought I would share my review on this, as well as what I use it for and why I purchased this. I did purchase this with my own money. I got this, as you've seen, to basically detail my car. You know, as you see me doing the floorboard of the driver's side, it's exactly why I got this. I chose this one over other products because it's pretty compact, it's portable, all the attachments are inside, and yeah, that's why I chose this. And it's just strictly for the cars. It's not for the shop, it's not for the house. It's strictly for the car, so I can always throw this in my car if I need to go do a customer's car or whatever the case may be. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Have any comments, concerns, or questions about this product or anything else that you've seen on my channel or would like to see, go ahead and drop it in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you would like to be notified when I put out a new video, make sure to hit that bell notification. So if you like power, quality, durability, and reliability, make sure to pick up one of these bad boys. Until next time, have a good one.